aka SawMaw, and I am here in my she shop getting ready to work on a project. But before I do, I need to do a little cleanup, and therefore I thought if I'm going to use a Ryobi tool, I might as well do a product review. And this time I want to review this Ryobi shop vac. It is a cordless shop vac because it uses the 18-volt battery, and I am very keen on collecting tools that use that 8-volt battery because I can buy the tool only and I already have a large supply of batteries. The reason I wanted to do this product review is because this little shop vac actually surprised me. It is great. It picks up very well. It doesn't take up a lot of space, and I can carry it around if I need to. But I have also installed a dust collection system in here recently, so I don't have to use it as much. But if I want to just get to a little space on this side of my shop by my drill press, because a lot of that wood just flies everywhere as it's shaving off of different pieces, I just use this shop vac because it's handy. So what I have to do is just insert a battery at the top. And this is pretty large, so I can put a large battery in here, which means it's going to last longer. So anytime you use something that takes a lot of power, I would say something that's constantly running, such as a sander or the shop vac, those tools, you should probably use a bigger battery. So they're going to drain the battery quickly. So I found that for myself. Also, my router. I have a cordless router, and it's all spinning as long as I'm using it, and it drains a lot of power. So I will go ahead and get a big battery. So I got this one here. I'm going to insert it into the shop vac. I'll just pick it up for now because it's so lightweight. Close it up. And it has this plastic enclosure because the shop vac is a wet dry vac. In fact, you know what? Shop vac is a product name that's been used so much that really the correct terminology is wet vac. So let's go ahead and try it out. I already have a hose attached to it. We can look at my dirty floor now. And I will just turn on the switch. I'm just giving you an idea of what it works, how it works, and what it sounds like. So it's not a loud vacuum system, but it does pick up very well, and it is small enough for me to travel with if I need to, and I really like it. I did not think I was, because I have a large stainless steel unit, which would suck up anything. So I would normally have to open that thing up and take things out because it was so strong that I was very skeptical to get something smaller. But this did impress me. I really love it, and I love that I'm not limited by a cord. So if you're interested in it, it's the Ryobi Cordless Wet Vac. It holds up to 4.75 gallons, and it's a neat little tool. I think it's also been on their exclusive deals, and they would do that when they're doing a lot of new tools. I think it's just to see how people react to them, but this one is a keeper. I think it'll be back out there again. So if you're interested in it, again, it's the Ryobi Wet Vac, the cordless edition. So thanks for joining me for this product review, and I hope to see you in another video soon.